Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can share your calendar, create a shared calendar on Outlook. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, we're going to open Outlook, okay? And after we open Outlook, what we're going to do is the following, okay? Follow me right now. So first thing first, we're going to navigate to the left side of the screen, and then we're going to click on Calendar. From Calendar, we're going to navigate to the top screen over here. It may be hidden if you don't see it. Actually, it may be hidden from here. So if it is hidden, what you can do is click on Home again. So if it is hidden, you're going to click on Home again, and it's going to appear. So what you're going to do is going to go onto the Open Calendar. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on Create a New Blank Calendar, and you're going to name it. Let me name it Appointments. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on OK. I created a new calendar over here. Now, if I go on Appointments and I click on a right click, and I go all the way down, you're going to see a property called Share. Now you're going to click on Share Calendar, okay? And there are two ways. You're either going to share the calendar to someone like this, okay? Let me send it to my other email, or to my mail Gmail, okay? And after that, I'm going to click on Send, okay? Or you could change it. I don't have anything on my calendar, so that's why I gave you my error. So, or you could actually do something else, which I would recommend is actually click on right click and you click on share and then email calendar. Okay, this is also an option, and you can have something called calendar permissions. Okay, for the calendar permissions, you can add some people. You can add people. Okay, from there I can add my main email. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to click on OK, apply, and then OK. And right now I've added my other account to the email. Now, how I can tell them to check out I added my other email to the calendar. How can I tell them to check it out? I go on to share and then email calendar. I email it and then I click on OK. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on yes. Send it to my main email. And like this, I added my friend, or I added my team to the calendar. Okay, or in other words, I created a shared calendar. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.